Meet the Hellfire 6x6, a beast so wild, it makes other off-road monsters look tame. Built on a Jeep platform but reimagined for pure chaos, this six-wheeled juggernaut packs a supercharged 6.2-liter Hellcat V8 pushing out 750 horsepower. That power runs through an 8-speed automatic and a custom drivetrain that lets you switch between 4-wheel and 6-wheel drive on the fly. It's not just brute force, this machine is loaded. Front and rear winches rated up to 12,000 pounds, massive 40-inch tires, power running, an electric rally car just conquered the desert. Meet the Audi RSQ e-tron E2. Built for the brutal Dakar rally, this beast isn't just fast, it's rewriting the rules of off-road racing. With 3 electric motors and a turbocharged energy converter, it charges itself while tearing across sand, gravel, and rock. It hits 170 km per hour and goes from 0 to 100 in under 4.5 seconds, even on loose terrain. Its sleek, lightweight design and advanced aerodynamics give it the edge, while the electric drivetrain brings quiet power and brutal acceleration. But it's not just about speed, it's about making history. In 2024, Carlos Sainz and Lucas Cruz took this machine to victory, making it the first electric car to win the Dakar Rally. That's more than a trophy, it's a turning point. The Audi RSQ e-tron E2 didn't just race, it proved electric can dominate the toughest track on Earth. Soar above the traffic. Literally, with a flying car that turns your commute into a luxury experience. Meet the Sky, an electric flying vehicle that blends futuristic design with first-class comfort. Its sleek frame isn't just for show, it's engineered for silent, smooth, and efficient flight above city chaos. Inside, the cabin feels more like a private jet lounge than a car, with plush seating and panoramic views that make every ride unforgettable. But this isn't just about beating. What if your next car only took up half a parking space and didn't need gas? Meet the Electromechanica Solo, a one-seat EV built just for you. This ultra-compact electric vehicle is all about simplicity, speed, and sustainability. Designed for solo drivers, it hits up to 80 miles per hour and covers around 100 miles on a single charge. Perfect for zipping through city streets or sneaking onto short highway runs. Its slim profile means stress-free parking, even in the tightest spots. And with a price tag near $18,500, it's one of them. Explore the wild, silently and sustainably, with the ENVE ATV. This all-electric, all-terrain vehicle is built for those who crave adventure without leaving a footprint. Whether you're an off-road explorer or a fieldworker deep in remote terrain, the eATV delivers raw capability with zero emissions. At its core, a powerful electric drivetrain gives you instant torque and quiet operation, perfect for both rugged trails and peaceful landscapes. Think wheelchairs can't go off-road? Think again. The EV4 mountain cart turns rough terrain into a playground. No limits, no compromises. Built for adventure, this all-electric cart is specially designed to empower riders with disabilities. It hits speeds up to 40 km per hour and tackles uneven ground with ease, thanks to large 20-inch wheels, front shocks, and a low center of gravity for rock-solid stability. Getting in and out is simple, even from a wheelchair. A sturdy front shelf holds up to 20 kilograms, perfect for gear, groceries, or tools. Powered by quiet 3 kilowatts electric motors, it delivers smooth performance without the noise. For tougher trails, a 4x4 model is available. Its bright, durable finish improves visibility and resists wear, while swappable batteries keep your adventure going without long recharge times. This isn't just mobility, it's freedom with torque. The EV4 mountain cart doesn't just get you outdoors. It brings the outdoors back within reach. What if your motorcycle could shapeshift while you ride? Kawasaki's J concept makes that wild idea real. Unveiled at the Tokyo Motor Show, this futuristic bike ditches tradition in every way. It rides on 2 front wheels for added stability and leans into corners like nothing else. But here's the twist. It can actually change its height and length on the fly, adapting to your speed or riding style in real time. Cruising through the city, it rises into a relaxed, upright stance. Hitting the open road, it drops low and stretches out for a more aerodynamic profile. Instead of standard handlebars, you steer with 2 independent controllers, each managing one of the front wheels, giving you unmatched control and agility. And yes, it's fully electric, bringing silent power to this radical design. Kawasaki didn't just build a motorcycle. They built a glimpse into the future of personal mobility, one that what happens when you turn a sports car into a snowmobile? You get the wild Nissan 370 Ski. Unveiled as a one-of-a-kind concept, this beast trades tires for front skis and rear snow tracks, built to shred through snow instead of hugging pavement. Under the hood, it packs a 332 horsepower V6 engine, keeping the heart of a true sports car alive, even on icy trails. Originally a 370Z Roadster, this transformation brings high-speed thrill to the backwoods. Whether it's carving through powder or want the thrill of a motorcycle with the comfort of a luxury cruiser? Meet the Roaco Trike, a three-wheeled ride that brings the best of both worlds. German engineered for precision and style, Roaco Trikes give you the open-air freedom of a bike with the confidence and balance of a car. Choose from gas engines ranging from 600cc to a roaring 2300cc, including Harley-Davidson options, and hit speeds up to 160 km per hour. The low-slung frame and reverse gear make handling easy, while adjustable suspension smooths out every curve and bump. It's built for long rides, with features like heated seats, built-in storage, and premium audio to keep you cruising in comfort. What if your pickup truck could turn into a cozy camper in just minutes? Meet the Rover King, a rugged, compact camping unit built for those who live for the open road. Designed with tough materials and smart engineering, it transforms the bed of your truck into a fully functional mobile shelter. Despite its lightweight build, the Rover King offers a snug sleeping space, clever storage, and must-have camping features, without adding bulk or dragging down performance. Its weather-resistant finish keeps you covered through rain, wind, and dust, so you can focus on the adventure, not the elements. Setup is fast, takedown is simple, and wherever you go, mountains, forests, or backcountry trails, it's ready to roll with you. Because with Rover King, the road doesn't end where the pavement stops. Why walk when you can glide on one wheel at 40 km per hour? Meet the Squeal One, your ticket to futuristic city travel. This electric unicycle blends speed, balance, and freedom in one sleek ride. With a top speed of 40 km per hour and a range of up to 64 km per charge, it's built for smooth urban commuting and quick trips across town. Weighing in under most electric vehicles, it's lightweight and portable, yet strong enough to carry up to 100 kg. Thanks to its large 14-inch wheel, you get a stable, cushioned ride, even on rougher paths. At around $1,200, it's a budget-friendly option for anyone looking to ditch traffic and travel smart. Now, if you prefer two wheels and a bit more stability, the Flow.Man Tourex delivers. This foldable electric scooter clocks in at 45 land or sea. This machine doesn't choose. It conquers both. The Stabicraft X240 UCSE is a rugged amphibious boat built for serious adventure. Thanks to its Anura amphibious system, it glides effortlessly from shore to open water without missing a beat. At 7.3 meters long and powered by up to 350 horsepower, it's designed for both muscle and finesse. Every inch is optimized for performance and comfort. Twin Houndsman bolster captain chairs give you full control, while digital zone switching brings next-level usability. There's even a fold-down V-berth for two, turning this powerhouse into an overnight base camp. Its soft-touch steering and billet alloy cleats are just icing on the cake. Whether you're launching from a beach or docking at a remote cove, this boat makes the journey as thrilling as the destination. Because when land ends, the real adventure begins. What if your next off-road adventure didn't stop at the water's edge? Meet the Tinger TF4, a four-wheeled amphibious beast built to take on land, mud, snow, and even water. This all-terrain machine blends rugged performance with comfort, giving explorers the freedom to go where roads can't. Under the hood, a turbocharged four-cylinder engine pumps out 150 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque, plenty of muscle for hauling gear or pushing through brutal terrain. Inside, it's surprisingly refined. The TF4 seats four, with heating, air conditioning, and even a stereo to keep things comfortable no matter the weather. Buckle up. This beast is built to conquer the wild like nothing before it. Introducing the TR2 Burovestnik, an all-terrain vehicle engineered for the extremes. With a powerful new engine upgrade, it delivers relentless torque and performance, powering through rocky trails, muddy terrain, and steep climbs without breaking a sweat. Its aggressive design isn't just for show, every inch is crafted for durability and dominance. Inside, you'll find a spacious cabin, ergonomic controls, and next-gen safety features that keep you protected no matter how tough the ride gets. This isn't just an off-roader, it's a redefinition of adventure vehicles, built for thrill-seekers who expect more from their machines. The TR2 isn't coming to play. Built like a tank, but moves like a beast, the Tiger E2 is redefining what a modern military vehicle can do. Designed in the UAE, this armored powerhouse blends rugged performance with surprising comfort. Whether it's navigating tight urban streets or rough rural terrain, the Tiger E2 tackles every mission head-on. Its 4.5 L V8 engine pumps out 232 horsepower, giving it the strength to carry 8 passengers without breaking a sweat. Reinforced tires, an automatic recovery winch, and optional upgrades like